We're in a neighborhood called the Bywater, and this is the Rusty Rainbow, the Piety Street Bridge. It's a pedestrian bridge that goes into Crescent Park. Crescent Park is the newest park in the city, and it's a different kind of park. It's a linear park. It stretches right along the river in an old docking and wharf area, about 1.4 miles long. It's a 20-acre park right on the Mississippi River, and this map here at the Rusty Rainbow kind of shows you where we are. We're actually right down here at the this pedestrian bridge, the Piety Street Bridge. The park actually goes a little further down. There's also an entrance up here right outside of the French Quarter, just past Elysian Fields. There's actually an elevator that goes to a bridge that crosses the railroad. This is, of course, an active railroad that connects a lot of the port activity further upriver and downriver from here. So we're going to venture up the Rusty Rainbow here and take a look at the Mississippi River. Really neat park for the folks in this part of town to have access to. For a long time, the people in these neighborhoods downriver from the French Quarter didn't really have a park. And this is, by the way, a great park to view the fireworks on the Mississippi River on the 4th of July and also on New Year's. And there's other events at the park. People get married here as well. We're going to also see the views that you have of the river. Now we're at the top of the Rusty Rainbow, and now you can see the Mississippi River in front and the Crescent City Connection Bridge in the distance, which is the southernmost bridge on the Mississippi River. Now we're downriver from the city. There is New Orleans.